Hello everyone. Today we'll see how we can create welcome messages using custom slash command spot or slash command spot. So let's go to dashboard and we have to create an event. So I will create the event in this testing server. So I already have an event. Let's delete it. Let's create an event and the event name will be join message. Okay, and it will be member join. You can also see member leave, member update, and other options also. So let's select member join, and whenever a member joins we want to run this part of the code. Okay, so what we want to do when someone joins, maybe give him some roles. Let's see what roles we have. We have a lot of role here. Okay, let's go to our Discord and create a role for our new members. So if I go to the bot testing server, here is our server. Let's create a new role here. Okay, so this will be, let's say this role is new member role. Okay, so new member. So this role, whenever someone joins, create the role. Now let's go to server settings, roles, and you can see we have this role here. Let's copy its ID. If you don't see this copy ID, don't worry, because if we come over here, you can see the role ID here also appears. So let's click on it and now say add roles. Then you have to type here user and the role you want to add. Let's say this one. So that's how. But we're not only adding roles. Let's send a message. So send message to a specific channel. So which channel? Maybe this channel whenever someone joins. So this one, and what we want to say, content equal welcome, then maybe user dot mention. We want to say welcome user to our server. Okay, so that's it. It will send the message. Now if we create the event, and now let's go to Discord. We have Discord here. So this is our Discord. So let's create an invite and invite someone. Okay, that's not how we invite. Okay, so let's copy this one, and now we have to have an alternative account to test it. So I think I already have an account. If I go to Chrome here and here, discord.com/app. Okay, so if I join and join the server here, let's join it. And I don't see the message because I don't have permission to see those channels. But if you see on the Discord app, not this one, it says welcome Shahriar to our server. So you can see our join role and also the message works. And if you see the user, you can see you also have the new member role. You may also want to send him some DM. Let's go event, edit, and maybe we want to send the exact same message to the member also. So send DM and then user, and also the content is same, so we're just putting it here. Update the event. Now let's go to the account. Where it is? Okay, I don't see it. Okay, here it is, and let's leave the server. Oh, now join again. I lost the invite, so let's just copy it again. Come to Discord and let's join again. Let's see if we get the TM or not. So you can see we got the TM and it says welcome Shafir to our server. So that's how you create welcome messages, welcome role, or maybe something else also. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment. I will always try my best to answer your questions. So thank you so much.